Welcome to our channel, where we are your trusted guide on the path to unlocking the secrets to achieving and maintaining radiant, healthy skin. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the fascinating world of cleanser ingredients, the unsung heroes that power your daily skincare routine. So grab a comfortable seat, get ready to explore the science of skincare, and let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Have you ever found yourself wondering what makes your cleanser so effective and rejuvenating and refreshing your skin? Well, the answer to that question lies in the carefully curated ingredients that go into your cleanser. These ingredients work in harmony to cleanse, nourish, and revitalize your skin, and it's essential to understand their role in your skincare regimen. First and foremost, we have the superstar ingredient, aloe vera. This natural wonder is packed with a multitude of vitamins and minerals that perform like an elixir for your skin. Aloe vera is renowned for its soothing properties, and it's a potent hydrator that leaves your skin feeling revitalized and refreshed. Bid farewell to dry, lackluster skin, and say hello to a radiant complexion that exudes health and vitality. A cleanser enriched with aloe vera is your passport to a skin that not only looks great, but also feels great. Moving on to our next skin-loving ingredient, we have salicylic acid. If you've ever struggled with acne, breakouts, or clogged pores, this ingredient is going to be your new best friend. Salicylic acid is a gentle yet effective exfoliator that works to unclog pores, keeping them free from impurities and blockages. It's like having a secret weapon against blemishes in your skincare arsenal. A cleanser infused with salicylic acid not only cleanses your skin, but also helps prevent future breakouts, leaving you with clearer, smoother, and healthier skin. And now let's talk about vitamin C, the powerhouse antioxidant that is making waves in the skincare world. A cleanser containing vitamin C is not just about cleansing, it's about transformation. Vitamin C is well known for its ability to brighten and firm the skin. As you cleanse, you're not just removing dirt and impurities, you're also giving your skin a radiant boost. This antioxidant helps to combat the effects of free radicals, reducing the signs of aging, and giving your skin that coveted youthful glow. So when you use a cleanser with vitamin C, you're giving your skin a double dose of goodness, cleansing, and revitalizing. And then there's our beloved hyaluronic acid, a true magician in the world of skincare. Hyaluronic acid is a moisture-locking wonder that plays a vital role in keeping your skin plump and hydrated throughout the day. With a cleanser infused with hyaluronic acid, say goodbye to dull, parched skin and welcome a dewy, glowing complexion. It ensures that your skin remains well hydrated, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and giving you that enviable, radiant look. Last but certainly not least, we have the soothing and nurturing benefits of chamomile. This gentle ingredient is perfect for those with sensitive or irritated skin. Cleansing your skin with a product containing chamomile not only rids of its impurities, but also cares for it in a holistic manner. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce redness and irritation, leaving your skin calm and content. With a chamomile-infused cleanser, you're not just cleaning your skin, you're giving it a spa-like experience, ensuring that it feels cared for and nurtured. Now that we've unveiled the secrets of these incredible cleanser ingredients, remember that it's not just about what goes on your skin, but also how you use it. To make the most of these ingredients, take your time when cleansing your face. Gently massage the cleanser into your skin, allowing these powerful ingredients to work their magic. Give your skin the attention and care it deserves, and you'll reap the rewards with a complexion that radiates health and vitality. We hope you found this exploration of cleanser ingredients enlightening and insightful. Your skincare journey is a path filled with knowledge and discovery, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more skincare tips and tricks. We're committed to sharing our expertise so that you can unlock the secrets to radiant, healthy skin. Until next time, happy cleansing.